mo?
Ha?
What? What you mean?
Hindi ko natapon naganat ko dito sa kamay ko.
So,
Save ko yun.
telling the truth is good, not bad. Okay? So you need to always tell the truth.
What you mean is throw away? You throw away?
I'm not throw my
not that.
frog. I'm little throw the rock lang. Hindi.
Okay, you threw the rock.
Yeah.
Not,
Hindi frog.
not the frog. Okay.
Best
Ito,
friend ko
bad-
lang.
So
Bad
what
kasi
happened
yung
the
throw.
frog?
He's literally off the hospital. He's literally hit the bata on him.
Huh?
He's literally hit bata out the rock.
Oh, no.
Nahit ng bata ng rock?
Yeah. Na ina is literally on the hospital in a doctor.
So what the sounds of the frog?
Na broke.
What?
Like this.
What?
Like this.
Sounds.
Like a progot.
Frogot like that?
Yeah. Yun yung favorite
Baka
song.
kokak like that?
Yeah, yung kukat. Yun nanonood ko yun.
Tas progok.
Hindi. Hindi yun. Look. Same lang dito yung color.
Frog.
Yeah.
What is the color of that?
Is SpongeBob no.
No, this is what color of this?
Is literally out here.
Green.
Wait. No,
A
that.
green.
Look, a little is. What is? It doesn't look like a squishy. Squishy lang to.
Huh?
Squishy lang teddy bear.
Squeezy daw, squeezy. Kasi nakakaintindi.
That
Okay.
this is blue.
Blue. Green.
Green yan, green. Like a blue lang yun na green. Green. That's the same lang yung frog yun. Blue yung frog.
Tapos, may green din.
Yeah. Parang just want to play for me like my toys. Nahanap ko yung family na frog show.
Nahanap mo yung pamilya ng frog?
Yeah, nahanap ko yun kanina.
Mas happy sila. Kasi nahanap mo yung pamilya ng frog eh.
Is literally stealing my house. So, wala natok siya sa bahay ko. You need to go to sleep for my no here. This is my no best friend. Wash my hands, so is sitting like this, so I begin him a present.
What present you give?
Like a frog Lego.
Oh, very nice. You're so very good friend.
Yeah. Next time you never hit my frog in the rock. You never
Okay.
throw that. Kindag siya, natel ko
Don't
yung
throw down ng rock ang
Okay.
frog.
frog.
Tapos
Okay.
si best friend ko yan, so you literally smash at you. Na-stay ko dito, you no more driving out my frog. Sa
Okay.
gilid lang yun dito. Sa gilid lang ito yung motor.
Okay.
You never kill my frog next time, so you can have we have you a money, okay? Have some
Okay.
more money.
Oh? You have so much money?
Yeah, in your
My God.
pocket.
Huh?
In your boxes. Box. In your backpack. Yung
Backpack?
Yeah. Yun mo ba ako alam? Madami. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wow!
One money.
You have so much money!
Yeah. That's why I shaved the frog for my in your motor. You never drive in my frog.
Okay.
That's my best friend.
Okay.
Tapos nawak siya na t-shirt. Tapos na, 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 na ask ko yung mommy, you want to give this frog.
Mommy is your mother?
Yeah, ma.
Oh.
You know the frog literally jumped like this?
Oh.
What?
What?
Show me
How?
frog na
Like this.
like that.
Like this.
Wow.
Sige daw.
Like this, yung frog was sitting
Sige.
there.
The sounds of frog, what?
Frog yun. That, ma, like the sitting sa motor show is literally
Ganyan siya nag-sitting ang frog?
yeah, tapos na-died siya, tapos nasa doctor siya ba like a house doctor, so I is feeling well, so is literally okay lang.
Okay lang.
Bakit siya nabigyan ko siya na ganon, tapos siya natulog yung frog, tapos after wake up show nabigyan mo na tantamen show yung
Oh,
jump tank.
give mo ng vitamins ang frog?
Yeah, yung puntati, you need to buy me puntati na fix this frog, tapos you need not kill the frog. No, don't kill my frog. You need to give him
What?
something else. You get giving the apple.
Huh?
Yeah, you get giving an apple, so it's okay lang. You
Okay
need to
lang.
give an apple for that, so you can buy some apple
Okay.
for myself. Gusto ko ma-share.
Nag-share ka ng apple sa frog.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. You are so very nice friend. Very nice. Yeah.
Kasi na-climb siya at there, so nabuhat ko siya sa likod ko, so na okay lang siya. Okay
Then,
lang yun.
now,
Now you not died there, you after not shaving him, so it's literally gone off. So I never found my animal, so I literally see him out there, so he's run away super fast, so super fast ako din.
surprise ka rin?
Kaya super fast ako.
Super fast.
Yeah?
Ay, super fast?
Yeah. Sa gilid siya, tapos na light siya, tapos na malayo siya, tapos na malayo din. You need not stop calling me. King sandali lang ako ma-chase this frog.
Okay.
Chase ka ng frog. Sandali.
Yeah, wag mo ko na-tell something. Okay? Wag mo akong tawag siya malayo. Okay?
No.
You never ask me anymore, so I can begin you iPhone at charge. Sa'yo, tanggal yan na ate, so I'm
So you need iPhone?
Yeah.
You don't like other
Screen mo.
cell phone? You don't like? I like a Samsung.
I like Samsung na give me yung frog
Oh my God. Very social.
ma at daddy.
Okay.
Buy him a green cellphone, so nakoro ko yung cellphone ko, tapos na-play ako na talking ben sa frog ko, tapos nawan sa hands,
Yeah.
tapos nasalata siya like a frog na gano'n. Yun,
Oh, so what the sounds of frog?
fruga yun.
Like that?
Yeah.
Fruga?
Kaya, na-watch ko yun siya sa TV, literally died, so I watched the camera, so it's literally dying, so you never kill it anymore, the rock. That's it, nasampal ko yung puwet mo,
Boom!
tapos na-cry ka. Yun, tas na yun.
Kaya pala nasampal mo yung puwet ko.
Yeah, tapos na you need na how you fix this frog.
Okay.
How
Sorry.
you never kill my frog anymore, bro.
Okay, sorry, bro.
You need a question. You never throw my frog outside, so it literally did in a coconut.
Wala.
Madami siya. Madami.
Madami.
Yeah.
There in the coconut.
Yeah, tapos na ganon siya nito. Like this na stop ko yun, tapos din na hit ko yung rock, so
Okay.
na nasipak ko yun siya sa madami coconut. Bakit yun nahawak ko yun? Like a coconut is literally pulling out there.
La, pulling out there?
Yeah, instead doon, inik ko around
Very
there.
dangerous pala yung coconut. Nag-falling out there.
Kasi inik ko na kandyan, tapos na said no, go there. Sabi daw ng police, inik ko ng kampo, yun.
Hindi mo na?
Yeah.
What?
You have to outside. You never go outside. That's why it's literally no more around there.
Okay.
The sleeping now is everyone.
Okay, so let's go to sleep na. Go to sleep na.
Tapos yun, that's an alien right there.
Oh my God, alien!
Yeah. It's literally taking all my pressure in your creeks. Tapos nabugbog siya na Santa Claus. Tapos nasipa ko yung creeks. Tapos na-stir my pressure. Tapos na-shoot ko yung like a gun toy. Big gun toy.
Boy, you have a gun toy?
Yeah, I
Show
have
mo nga, show mo nga.
yung big gun toy.
You have?
Yeah,
Where?
this.
Ah, yan. Big gun toy pala yan.
Yeah. I never found that animal, so probably to put it in the ground, so it's literally not my weapon on bad yun ate. Nita ko the police in na it's literally following me all day, following me,
Okay.
follow me. Daddy. Tapos yun, yung lakeside literally na kill me. Tapos yung ganto is literally working out this. To remove it is this ganto is lakeside. The kill it.
So let's go to sleep na. Good night.
Pray, Papa Jesus.
That's an amen.
Amen.
Love you so much.
Thank you so much.
Love you so much, baby.
Good night.
Good night.